What's up, my dogs? What's up? Yeah. What's going on? Good? When people don't like you sometime, you know, you have to change around. Going to bed soon, you know. So I tell you, I love you. Yeah, my dog, man. I'm my niggas, man. You want to ask me what is that, girl? That's your pussy, my girl. Why you asking me what's that for? You calling me cow skin. My skin is not made of cow skin, man. I'm soft, man. You rude. Call it cow skin is a song. Cow skin is not my skin, girl. You ain't get it together. You get it together now. Yeah, come over here. You ain't get it together, right? Nah, I mean. How y'all doing? Good? So what's going on, my dogs? What's really up? It's good. What's your problem, man? I'm here to talk to you, man. I'm Olivet family, man. You don't understand, man. I've been around since the 60s, my dog, you know what I mean? I've been around for a while, man. You know what I mean? We used to drink a lot and stuff, man. Sometimes I end up with these big holes in my face and I used to drink a lot, I could tell you. Been there, done that, man. Yeah, so what's going on? What's up? What you want to talk about, man? Some of them talk about my sister, man. They talk about, your sister, she's a hoe, man. They're talking about Olivet, man. I was like, these bitches got a nerve, man. That's my sister you're talking about. I don't gotta defend my sister. Because your bitches talk about hoes. You be hoes in for free. Y'all don't be getting none. That's my tattoo, man. I'm a biker, man. You know the thing about it, I got so many bikes right now. Man, you don't know me. You want to see my face. Ain't you looking at me, man? Ain't you looking at me, man? What's going on, my dogs, man? How you gonna deal with me like that, man? My glasses is making you can't see me or what? What's the problem, man? I got a nice earring yesterday. I saw this one and said, like, I gotta buy this earring. It's so nice, man. I'm good, you know, my nigga. I had something to drink. I had some rum and stuff. I'm cool. Chilling. Got a buzz and thing, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. You see, I ain't got no time for people to come with a loud mouth of their goddamn self. I'm here to defend my sister. If you come with it, you bring it, you come with it. My beards, man. Damn, my beards are rotting off. My beards are rotting off, man. I went to this bitch house and she let me eat a pussy. Next thing I know, my beards are falling off, dog. Damn, son. And the one that pussy made my beard fall off, man. She fall apart. Oh, my nigga. Eat the pussy, man. I don't know, man. Nigga, man. Telling you, man. Life, you know. Eat the pussy, man. Your beards get wet, man. Eat the pussy, your beards get wet sometimes. Bitch, sometimes people say, why you cut your beards off, man? I was like, man, My bitch get wet in that pussy sometime, man. Shit make me feel cool when it's summertime hot and shit. You know what I mean? They don't know, my nigga. You gotta let them know, my dogs, man. Y'all play too much. Y'all play too much, man. The beard is kind of soft, man. That pussy juice keep my shit soft, my nigga. Sometimes I was like, my beard looking thin. I eat that pussy. I wake up, my beard is thick as hell. I was like, what the hell? I realized all them damn pussy hair itch up in my goddamn beard. That's what make you look thicker. You know? And grow overnight. you know what I'm saying. A couple of y'all know. Your beard is kind of thing and shit, and you wake up with this big ass, fresh ass beard. You know, the funniest thing, you go to bed with your wife, you know what I mean? And your beard is kind of thin. And you go down and you roll that damn tongue. And next thing you know, you wake up in the morning, your beard looking big. You're like, damn, my beard is getting nice and bushy and shit. But you realize it's all pussy hair in your damn beard. You comb that shit out, there's a whole bunch of pussy hair like a dog hair. My nigga, don't be mad, man. The amount of pussy hair that came on my goddamn beard, man. I thought I was on my beard. My beard was turning dreadlocks and shit. That's the pussy hair not up in my goddamn beard. I was like, I get so dread, man. I eat my wife this morning and shit. My beard is still white, my nigga. Tell me my dogs, man. It say the woman got juice. That woman got juice, man. You know, that's the thing about having good loving, you know what I mean? You gotta get juice and shit. As you see my face, you know I've been around a lot of juices. I'm an old timer, man. Yeah, man. Back in the days, though, we used to go and I used to party all night and shit. Beard is still wet, man. This pussy keep my beard moist. What the hell? Yeah, I don't know. Because I want to go check a little bee, you know what I mean, later on. But I can't be going with my beard wet like this shit. You know, the American girls, they're different now, you know what I mean? Yeah, I mean, I'm American too, but they're different from the Jamaicans and shit. You know, the American girl, you know, you say, what's up, baby, talking and stuff. They might, you know, don't want to insult you or something. If you walk in a Jamaican bitch house and you walk inside, you're like, damn, I smell pussy out of your mouth. Yeah, they don't hold their mouth for nothing. They're like, damn, where you was? Your mouth smell like pussy, man. Where you coming from? You know, this kind of shit, you know, I got to deal with it. I got to put up with it. It's just not right. But, you know, so I got to make sure my beard dry before I get up at that bitch house. Because she going to say, you smell like pussy. And, you know, yeah. You know, my ex-boyfriend one time, my sister, she got an ex-boyfriend one time, you know. And he was from Vincy and shit. And he went out and he came back to her, you know what I mean? She was like, dang, that man stinks, like some stink pussy. You know, and I started to make a song, you know. Well, your breath smell like pussy, you know. He get mad and shit. But he did. He sure did, and it wasn't mine. Because you know, my sister and he wasn't doing nothing. Excuse my language, not me. My sister and he wasn't doing nothing. You know what I mean? But yeah, they talk about they don't want to lick pussy and shit. They be sucking pussy, man. Niggas be licking this shit like no tomorrow, man. Some of them don't even have to know you, man. But you see, I know the girls I go to. I know them. They always keep my beard wet, man. Sometimes my beard, my chin swell all up. It's like it's going down now since I began getting it dry and shit. It's so wet. Before it was like big and swollen and shit. I don't know what you got in that damn thing. But I shit let my thing swell, man. My sister was telling me, right? She went today to pick up some food and tea, you know? She saw a friend that she ain't seen a long time. And she came in tonight. She's like, bro, you know what happened to me? You know, man, I seen LaSalle, man. I was like, really? You see LaSalle, man? You know how long I ain't seen LaSalle, man? I ain't seen that bro for a minute, dog. I'm telling you, man. You know what I mean? And she was like, you know, he's talking to her and shit. That's my bro, though. You know, we go way back. But, you know, I tell him he can't be in a part of my damn family, man. He want to go with my sister and shit. That nigga be like humping all kind of bitch, my dog. You ain't going to disrespect my sister, man. Because, you know, we like man and shit. You know what I mean? We don't get down like that. The people always wonder why I tattoo my eyes like this. Back in the 60s, we used to tattoo everything. Even our dick head, man. It's serious, man. So don't worry about the tattoo on the eyes, you know. It's just Beautiful, man. I'm glad I did it, man. You know, I like that guy from England, man, you know. Rap star, you know, he had the big mansion, his wife and his son and his daughter. He had a daughter named Kelly. What is his name? Ozzy Osbourne? Yeah, man. I like his tattoo people. Where he go to? I go to the same one that he go to. Ozzy Osbourne. That's his name, I don't know. But he's a great rap star, you know what I mean? England is pretty rich. And, yeah, we use the same doctor. Same tattoo, same doctor, I mean. Yeah, people don't like it sometimes. It's like, are you man? Are you gay or something? I said, man, I'm mind the goddamn business, nigga. It's not your business, man. I ain't begging for no ass, man. It's not like I come up there and say, bro, let me get in your ass. You're going to ask me if I'm gay because I got some color and some shit. Man, that's rude, man. You don't do that to people. People do what they want with their life, man. It's a free world, man. Sometimes I wear the lipstick. I'm on the train and shit, man. I pop the shit out, you know. And everybody in the train just looking at me like it's a shame for me to wear a little lipstick sometimes. I don't think so. Ain't you wearing it? Why can't I? Aren't you human? Well, so am I. And you know, the girls, they love it, man. When I go by that girl, man, she like, man, your lips look so nice, man. Yeah, man, just get them beard wet, man. I was like, hold up, man, I just got here, man. You're speeding too fast, my girl. Slow down, man. You're moving like a car going around the corner. Hold on, man. Hey, don't take it all. A long time, me I tell them, girl, brother, sit down. Listen to me, girl. So my brother come tell you, no. Me a bad girl. Me, a bad girl. What you all want, man? All them girls for going, man. And if I move and go, man, can a bad man can my bleaching turn up. Yo, you see them girl them wicked no blow. Yo, my bleaching turn up, my girl. See a bad man killing her, man. It's bad mind. Because una can't get light. So I wanna bleach every day. Me a dancehall queen. My brother gone like that. Me a dancehall queen. And the same cream me and him I use. So, and they say we look alike no. They say we look alike no. I want box tongue that Chinese girl. We box the little girl. People say me look like her. Me said no way. Baby love. And you want to talk about, look for me kin how it turn up. A brown in we, sir. Him Indian ear turn up on me center part. A brown in me, say my girl. I want to you. I wish she ears, sir. A medium buggy. I want to you. I want to you, my girl. Ain't much money pay for my diamond earring. Someone can't buy it. Una can't buy it. So don't come over here, come go on like on a bad man can me cream rock. Someone una bleach and can't get light. No, una can't get light, baby. No matter how no try. My nice, beautiful. On a outer order. On a brighty. Look how me look good. When me walk out the road, every man want me. Me say what? Every man want me. A bad mind and bad mind, no. When me go to Jamaica, everybody something like, baby, you look good, look like baby doll. My bleaching turn up. The flower dry now, shit. Flower dry now. Well, what that flower wet still? My bleaching turn up. Me not care what you want to say. I can't bring on the master. I have to make one out of flour. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My bleaching turn up on the bad mind because I look good. See my ear, yeah? How much money I pay for my ear? Look good. Look good. I lace front. Indian ear. 100% front. Look good, baby. Bad man can't prosper around me. When me go to England, me will bring whole of something come down here. When me go to England, me bring whole of something come down here. Alright? And when me go to America, me bring whole of something. Me a girl, me know a peer name brand me wear. One one chat to can't look good like me. Also one want rubber no can't get brown. Look at me pretty and brown. Me look like any baby doll. Nobody come start me, me love. Don't come start me. Nobody with it, like my face want fall off with the cream, but me say no, not today, baby. Me have to look sweet. Me want party figure later on. And me a travel more, look nice. Some of them bad mind to me, I get one my neck white. Look at my neck white and pretty. Some of them neck even white. You know, bad mind. Look at them bad mind. I'm gonna the black on it, so let me have some baby mark. I'm gonna come and say, oh, they need to come out and then come out. Because I say the cream turn up. And you have to call and get your cream. Alright? Call 737-1812 and get your cream. Some people call tonight and then buy. Because it's sitting turn up. And me, my life miserable, baby. And me. And me, my love. Me happy all the while because guess what? You see the talent that God give me, it keep me going and me happy. Me happy, you see? Me not a problem. Me this long wait to say. Sure. Face a fall off. It turn up so tell it a fall off. It turn up bad, man. When it good is sometimes, that's when the skin just fall off and left you. When it good. But me said to myself, say, Lord Jesus, what me go do? If you stay brown, yeah, brother, I kill me. Come on, buy me nice things when them see me. Them say, girl, you look good. And my nose job, my nice straight nose. My nose job. Them can't talk to me, Me a hot girl. Ross! Not my banana, them in my pot, I eat my plant feet, no, man. Okay, gosh. You hot girl. I don't worry about them. Them is problem. It's problem, man. They want to seek my salvation, man. Them me tell them, say, no. You know, seek my salvation, and mama clot. You know what I mean? Not my salvation, baby. No, sir. I took a banana with the boy, I ate the banana now. I'm going to make my belly busting shake and dinner this, so. And some fruits. My hot girl. What now? You want peace? What now? You want the nails? $20 for you. Bad man. But a kiss now. Fuck is this? Hey. Son of a bitch. Something serious, I don't know. Come on, man. You can't do that. God damn you, gosh. I look like a fucking older money. Me, I work and build up myself. I just can't see that look woman and look whatever I look. Okay, if me look ugly. I look nobody. Sucking a blood clot. Oh my God. Fucking eat. Sucking a stinking when I can suck up my body. I love you, happy people. Make yourself happy here. I love you. Happy on yourself, my life, and go to bed. Don't wake up tomorrow. Don't go on the bed in the hard fucking heavy because of some fucking hater. And wake up bitter and go on the bed bitter. Laugh and go on the bed on the fire last night. Somebody do when we wake up the next day. You know what that? Indian here, boy. Son of a bitch. See, bad mind active, you see that? Bad mind active, cause I'm neck fear drop off. Then bad mind just want to see look sitting look good, you know. Like a bleaching, clean off his cell, enough for wear, you know, for look good. Bad mind, can nose job and shit. I put on my blush right here, my blush right here. And my earring right here, my earring don't fall out. Gosh, my earrings went out, not. Gosh. I love you too. God made me for you. God made me for you, goodies. And I'll back to make y'all happy and shit. You know, these bitches look like that too, you know? Yeah. Come on. This is it. Okay. I love you too. I love you too. I make it better next time, so, you know. My first time making this one, so, you know. I love you too. Huh? Just want to bring joy to people. Me happy and I'm a good goodie. Good thing call and buy something tonight to make sure some of my money has. So, you know. I'm good people still. I'm going, my nigga. Pussy got your mouth full enough, man. Fuck, my nigga. No pussy smell like that. You're not supposed to eat it, man. You still eat that shit. You was hungry, motherfucker. You hungry, bitch. Nigga, I was horny as bitch. I was horny, my motherfucker. I was no freaking hungry, but I was horny, motherfucker. I like eat that shit, boy. My nigga. That bitch, she like it too. She like it too. I'm feeling kind of hot. I got shame. I'm kind of hot. Put on my hat, man. I ain't got time for them people, man. That when I sit around and criticize people, man, I ain't got no time for them, man. I ain't got no time. I ain't got no time, nigga. I got no time, man. Time at all, man. Damn. I love you too. Yeah, that's what it is, man. You take so much Viagra sometimes, man. Take a lot of Viagra, man. You know, your hair fall out and shit. yeah, man. Viagra make your hair fall out and shit. You get blind and shit, man. You know, a lot of us, motherfucker, a lot of us, man, we was taking Viagra back in the day. We didn't know that shit was going to get us blind and shit. Your dick was getting hard, feeling good. Next thing you know, you're fucking blind. The niggas wasn't telling that shit going to make you blind, you know. They wasn't telling you nothing, man. Huh? That's just some bad pussy and Viagra, man. My shit falling off, my nigga. Hold up, my son. Hold up, man. Just hold up, man. Hold up, my nigga, man. Hold up, man. Hold up, hold up. Hold up. Hold up, man. Yeah. Hold the hell up. You know, back in the days when Viagra first came out, like, every motherfucker's like, let me get a bottle of Viagra. You know what I mean? I was one of them dude. That Viagra fucked up my face, my nigga. My face look like a rock, my nigga. Sometimes they say your face look like a rock stone, my nigga. It's rocky face. I was like, you rude, man. But then I look in the mirror, I was like, damn, this Viagra got me, man. This Viagra, I've been using this Viagra too long, man. This shit sink my skull, son. I tell you, you can't love dick more than God, you know. You can't want to come more than serving the Lord, man. I tell you, people was criticizing the church and shit. But I'm sorry I wasn't going to church, man, no matter what they say, you know. Because I tell you, this Viagra and this pussy got my face twisted, my nigga. I tell you, man. I'm supposed to be going to church, but those that happen sometime, my dogs, you know what I mean? But I'm cool, I'm chilling, I'm a good person, you know what I mean? My hair will grow back and shit, you know, yeah, it will go back, you know what I mean? Yeah. Madame, dear mama stinking scunt hole. Why is these motherfucking leeches still coming back over here? Why is this fucking leeches? You can't get no spray and spray my motherfuckers off, man. Spray motherfuckers off with some road spray, my nigga. Where you were, my dogs, man, my lord, man. Spray them off with the road spray. Spray them off, we don't give up. We don't give up. We don't give up. We don't give up. Yeah, bitch. Some of y'all be skirting like that. Skirting like a motherfucker. Like it's some rain falling on your head. I love you, man. I love you and shit. Yeah, I tell you, man. Yo, hey, bitches be skirting like a rainfall. And I'm like, oh, God, I love it. Tell you, man. And bitches be skirting like they got dick, man. They be shooting so damn far, my nigga. And she get in your face, you get wrinkly and shit for so, man. You know, one pussy wouldn't do you bad, but I had so many. Man, it was skirting all of my damn face. Nigga, why you think my face look like that, man? My face look away, you know? I don't know, man. Sometimes the girls, I was like, I still could do shit good, you know what I mean? The Viagra make my dick ain't getting hard no more, but I could still eat some pussy, you know what I mean? They was just taking the Viagra. All my friends was taking it for their wives. All the young guys who know my job, man. I used to work in a workshop, man. They bought the Viagra, man. After that, man, the glasses stores was just going up, man. I was like, what the hell? The glasses selling like a motherfucker. Why glasses and contact lenses are selling so much? And by the time I realized, man, right now we're in contact lens. You see? Contact lens I'm wearing right now, man. Viagra, man. It got me, man. A lot of my friends, they blind, man. They completely blind, man. Yeah, who would tell you that if you're trying to get the dick hard, you end up blind? Nobody. Nobody, my niggas. Nobody, man. My dogs, man. Nobody tell you gonna be blind for getting your dick hard as some Viagra, man. Now they got that shit out that you could sue the company and they still selling it. I don't get it, man. You could make money now, man. If you're blind and you were taking Viagra, just go to a doctor and say, remember, you're the one that subscribed to Viagra for me, right? Well, man, I'm blind right now. So I could get some compensation. I can get some kind of money, man. So I could get someone to help me to the bathroom so I could get to shit when I want to shit, man. I can't see to get to the bathroom, my nigga. That shit blind me, my dog. You know what I mean? Yeah, some of these bitches, they need Viagra, they're always so open. Even when you're fucking with Viagra, they don't feel nothing. They still come over here, they mad and shit. They ain't mad for their mama to drop them out, but they mad at me. When I come to talk on here, bitches, I look better than you. You're just mad cause I'm hot. Hot, hot, sweet and hot. I don't have time. I go both ways, I used to have a boyfriend. I had a girlfriend. Someone would say, oh, you want a man? I'm a man, my nigga. Well, you want to know? I'm a man. I go both ways. What? I can eat as much as I want, man. The most thing like when you eat a bitch pussy and it tastes like ice cement, you're like, goop, you got it correct, girl. It's like ice cement. It's fresh and clean. You're like, up, get. Want to come on here, and you're not gonna come on here and run my family off of this bitch. I tell you, we've been around for a while. We like to talk to people. We like to be happy. All right, buddy? So don't come around here and expect that what the fuck you say gonna mean shit to me, because it doesn't. It doesn't mean anything to me. You know why? Because I know where the fuck I'm going. And you gonna know where the fuck you gonna sit down. You know where the fuck you gonna sit down, my dog. That's why I ain't worried, man. Man, I could go to Hollywood so much goddamn time, man. I keep putting that shit off, but I'm gonna go this year, man. Know what I mean? Go to Hollywood this year, man. I ain't got much time left, man. But I still could eat some more pussy juice, man. You know what I mean? My lords, my dogs. I love you, man. Yeah, man. I remember one time, you know how fucked up it is, right? I went to this bitch house. I don't want to say bitch, but she is, because she have a lot of niggas coming to your house. You got a lot of niggas coming to your house, you a bitch, because you got too many. You must be raiding some kind of slut dogs, and then slut dogs a bitch. So, you know what I mean, niggas? Get to a damn house. Try to eat this girl pussy, and I got to take my teeth out, my false teeth, I promised this girl I would give her $1,000, man. So I take out my teeth and I start to eat the pussy, you know what I mean? Put it to the side. I know I ain't got no $1,000, but I like the girl, you know what I mean? And when I was done, she said, let me have my money. I said, girl, I like you, but I ain't got no money to give to you. I can get $200, all right? That's what I had. She said, you must be your goddamn mind, nigga. Are you mad? I said, oh, well, calm down, like she was going to attack me or something. You know what I mean? Calm yourself down. I don't have it, so I give to her. You know what you do next? She grabbed my 2 damn teeth. She know I got to go home to my damn wife and my children. She didn't care. She said, oh, you see, she is some sugar daddy or some shit. She grabbed onto my 2 damn plate. She take my damn teeth and she put them in a plastic bag and stick them in her purse. She said, when you pay me for my pussy, you get your plate. My nigga, I drive outside my car, man. I have no teeth going on, man. Because, you know, I ain't got the money, man. I get home to my house, my wife just kept looking at me like, where's your goddamn teeth? You lost it in some bitch pussy? And I was like, what the hell are you talking about? You know, that's so rude, you know. Where's your damn teeth? And she just kept, I said, I got my teeth, man. My gum is kind of sore. I just don't want to put them in and shit. I tried to make it. She said, you ain't put them in. I said, my gum is sore, babe. You know what I mean? I got my teeth. Relax and go to your bed. You know what I mean? And not like I'm going to use my teeth on you tonight anyway. So why you worrying about the goddamn teeth? So I went to bed. Next day come, my phone ring. She called me to work. She said, are you going to bring my money and come collect your stink-ass teeth? I said, girl, my teeth wasn't stink when you take them up. You put them in the bag and you take my teeth, you take them in a damn purse, you hold my teeth hostage for what? I said, nigga, I got a hostage. She said, like, nigga, I got a hostage your damn teeth. You be eating my pussy without no damn teeth. And then you don't pay my money, so I took your goddamn tooth, nigga. Do you understand that, sugar daddy? He said, girl, listen to me. I need my teeth. I got to go to work. I got to see people today. I got estimate to make and all them things. I need my damn teeth. I said, well, you got to strike a deal. I said, what kind of deal I got to strike with you, man? She said, man, you got to bring my money. At least bring my funds. You ain't got no damn teeth, man. I got to go all the way to the bank, man, and bring that girl $700 because she wouldn't go for more than 7, man. All right, before I could get my teeth, my nigga. So you got to be careful where you go them bitches with your teeth. Take your teeth, all your teeth out, man. You take your teeth out and rest the shit to the side. She going to hold them damn teeth hostage, man. And then she might ask you for more money. Make sure you have your teeth in your pocket, my nigga. Put them in your shoes. When you take off your socks in the hotel room, man, put your teeth in your socks and put them in your goddamn shoes, man. That way they can be safe, you know what I mean? I leave them in your car. It's a beautiful thing, you know, when you love yourself. When you can express different things of life and give people a happy life, make them laugh and smile and whatever they're feeling, they forget. Some big pussy bitches can't do that. They open up, they're taking flies, and they're still coming here. Yeah. You all right? You're good, right? All right. I feel good, my nigga. Yeah, man. Sometimes, you know, people don't like you, you know. And if you have some gluten flour, because I don't eat gluten anymore. So if you have waste flour, that you start eating healthy flour you don't use, you can use it and disguise yourself and nobody knows you and they will like you. If they don't like it, then they're gonna like you, okay? Don't worry. Alright? Gonna like you somehow. Bitch is saying she's crazy. She lost her mind. Something is wrong with her. Bitch, that's why you're here watching me. That's why you're here watching me. You don't want to watching me and goddamn complaining. Who's the crazy one, bitch? Your mama. Who's the crazy one, oh? You crazy dick sucking hoes. You ain't got no brain. You call it comedy, ho. Not dick sucking. Comedy. You learn something, my nigga. This is not where your mama comes in and start to show you how to skin and suck, okay? It's not a mama term. It's not a mama term, man. Yo, not a mama term. Niggas, chilling, man. I'm chilling like a chilling. Chilling like a chilling, man. When the hater come, they try to fake. But it's okay, cause me used to hate. Me no worry about to me concentrate. Me have to make it to the top, to the another level. While do not sit down on a knee, or no I drop. I suck cock. I wanna be your man. Ooh, I wanna be your man. I wanna be your man. I wanna be your man. Life is so beautiful when I make nothing fucking stress you. Burn some blood clot herb and relax yourself, never got full. Then my banana, I mix up a punch now. And love life, like my God did dancing. Someone like say my life sad now because I'm telling me story. I go like say me are dead and me under stress. No blood clot stress. Place good. You know what I mean? Good, me happy. And nobody near bother me. And he pay for. Thank God he pay for. So if money out, that means I pay for me good to go. I don't want nobody nothing. So me peaceful. Alright? Me in a big like some girl old. Oh no. Some girl old stay so man. Thank God we can't laugh. But they say, fuck her, no sad no, man. She nah nothing to fuck her. Me have to sit and tuck away. And still have a little ear and there. Me nah suffer, bitch. To be sad and shit, you know what I mean? Me talk how me feel and get you off my mind, but me not sad, bitch. You're sad. I ain't gotta suck nothing tomorrow, nothing not going on me tonight, nah, no other time. Almost 2 years now, so me happy. My twin pussy real comfortable in my drawers. And me can't do all this freaking me I do ya. Cause nobody from my back around me to them one room and shit. That's why I do all this thing else me I do your happiness, you call this. You don't call it sad or madness, it's a happiness. Isn't me dog? Happiness, cause me sad make you on this. Me sad I want to lay down and sit down and want to talk to nobody. You call this happiness, make other people happy feeling sad. Unlike someone a big hole. Big hole. Big hole a cap fi take your man. Wait fi take you now. Man, take your man, dog. Fill hole. Fill hole. tell you, dog. I tell you, man. Monkey pussy. Whatever. Whatever. Me happy, whatever. So good. Little kids can laugh. Big people. Make life beautiful. And if tomorrow gonna be a next, you know what? I got something to give eat no food. Then can't do nothing in life. Then just sick and all and sitting there. And can't laugh. You know? Can't be like these little hoes. Look at tired hoes. They're so tired. And the pussy's steamy. A pressure cooker. Steam pussy. Alien scunt, you know? Damn alien scunt. So on a scunt look like alien. And down the leg and one come fast if you're not damn alien scunt, eh? So then suck. Don't finish his face out so then can't suck. And fast not people business. Yeah, you can't suck, man. You can't suck. You can't suck, eh? Suck. Yes. Suck. My niggas don't alone and know, yeah. All I wanna do want the party. Yo, we ain't no time, ain't no playing. The game and the nothing that we sharing. I don't know the joy. And your daddy look like this bitch. And you wanna talk about me, which, Life is beautiful, I'm not sad, you wanna know, You got to be a superstar. You got to be, you got to take it far. Do 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 do. You gotta be a superstar. You got to be, you gotta take that shit real far. You gotta make it, yo, superstar. Yo, scream with it. When you scream, scream. Yo. You wanna be a superstar. You wanna be. Yeah, they're just bad mind because I can move myself around. I can do different things. I don't need my niggas. I don't need my dogs. Ooh. My dogs. But you will see us, no. No, but you will art, man. Art coming like, but you will shit out. What art? No, but art coming like, But you want. But you want to come like someone. See what you look like. Yo, my nigga, I'm about to go on my dog, man. Know what I mean, nigga? It's cold outside and shit. Yeah. What's the problem, man? What's the problem, my nigga, man? I love you too, baby. Yeah, I love you too. No, baby. No, baby. Don't do that. I know I'm beautiful. No, I don't take video call right now. No, those are my pictures you see on Facebook. Yeah, those are my pictures you see on Facebook. You like them? So let me give a video call. No, can't video call me right now. I'm tired. I just came from work. I'm just lying down. I'm just really sleepy right now. Yeah. Send you a picture? Okay, no problem. Photoshop, please. Photoshop, please. Yeah, some of y'all be looking like this. And the man them in the Photoshop in the picture and put them online. Stop Photoshopping a picture of them. Wanna look like this in a Photoshop and a picture of them, and I go ahead and put them on the goddamn line. And people soon and think that's how I look. When man I call not so I really look. Like how me look and all later I wanna done get up and go Photoshop. Quick time. Quick time. I must stop it, my youth, man. I must stop them thing that my girl. Also, man, them a Photoshop. What do I do? I want to try to my youth. I don't want to spoil up the generation. I want my youth. I don't really want to still. I just say my youth. Yeah, my youth. Well, me tell you something, you know. Remember, if you come over here and watch horror movie and your ugly thinking, Saul, girl. Girl, come off of the page if you don't want to watch horror movie. Nobody now stick you when you have horror between your goddamn leg, you know, child. You have horror there, come off here and find someone a dirty bumbo. You know a dirty bumbo. Come off here. Dirty drunk, no suck cheesy bars, come off ya. On no sister me a star, me famous all of the blood clot well. On no can't see that. On no can't see me famous all of the blood clot well when phone pussy famous all over blood clot street. On no mind gone, turn pelican fucking bird. On no suck dick just for $1 and a pack of cigarette. On no better get the fuck off here. Me's Olivet grandfather. I don't give a fuck about what I want to go on with. I look a fucking waist front, bitch. With a little piece of dirty here and look like cheap clothes and came buy expensive and dress up in a waffy come people run come over them page, come look upon them with them done blood clad pussy. Girl, your pussy don't need a redundant and fucking food stamp. Your pussy gone a Goodwill and fucking Red Cross, your mother's cunt. One of the things that your mother's cunt. Come in and follow back on me like you want near me body hole. So me go left, you go left, me go fucking right, and you cuss me and I don't mind till I follow me. What you follow me for? Me tell us me have dry shit in my body hole for your name. Stop following me, daughter. Stop following me. I'm your grandfather. I saw the whole of the family, I saw we look. We are red-skinned people. Don't worry about that. We not have to Photoshop. Like a dirty frowns, you old girl. Your whole smell like the rat bed me used to live over there. Dirty old girl come on fire. I know me tell if you make your papa breed, you and give your twin pitney. Because you fuck your papa from you're young, and you know he's wrong, and you fuck him. Come after your dirty germs, you cockroach fucking pussy tongue. On the things you don't want disaster on a mother's cunt, on the getting on a mother's cunt. I'm not gonna make the night die out silent without crush them on no bomb, or hole, no bomb, or done no fuck. You want me to fuck you with me 10-inch foot in your mother's cunt, you come. Come on. You weightless bitches, no call them wait, can't no wait for man and wait and they never come in here. Weightless bitches. Nah, nothing better if you do a run or come over here and run back at me. Like me tell you, say, come suck me cocky. Me a old man now. Wanna suck out me water out of me and bring me down to this. I wanna do it. Must see a worthless girl. I'm still running behind me when me go. Trying to see if I can get my pension. When I used to come and all suck my balls. And when me get me check at the third of the month, you come for come collect 110, 115, and 120. I saw the whole of them stay. Me know them type. Me know them type, master. Me not going to make them bring me down. Me know them type. Me know them type, yes. Then come in a bungle like a tumble shit on that tree in a bush. Then come fi come tumble with them big old stagnant pussy tongue. Jezebel pussy tongue, them pussy tongue have Jezebel in it. Jezebel like war and fuss. You understand me? Them pussy tongue is Jezebel. Jezebel pussy tongue, not tonight. Not tonight, stand forward, not tonight, my dear. Me gonna have to stand up on your scunt and crush your pussy tongue like you crush a snakehead. Leave me alone, dirty whore. You want to talk about whore? Well, you're the biggest fucking whore. Because if you say me a whore, that means that you're a whore or my granddaughter a whore. You're not did selling at the same place. You know was taking fucking at the same place for years to call her whore because you was a whore too. I love you too, Goody. But I'm not gonna stand around here and make these flaunty pussy bitches where can't even fuck a man, make them feel good because they hold done for them yard and their knee. They're not going to come over here and think so we are not gonna put up with this slackness. When we put on these things for our face and then come over here, we make them get nightmare tonight, voodoo and them blood clots. Make them look on the face and keep. When I go bed tonight, you will see my face, you evil bitch. The good one you will not see, but the bad one you will fucking see this mass. It will rise up in your bumble like a big old. Look on it, put the spell up on you like a scunt, you know. No, you know, too late for run, bitch. Too late for run now. You know, you want to sit down and now you want to disappear. Tell you what, me think getting in your gun go long. Too late now. Some of them talk about say, look for her and look for him. It's a who wanna hear a she and your mama is she. Some of them wish, you know. Them say, well, she should be dead and be in a casket like that, you know. I hate that bitch. And rotten down, that's how she going look. I want to get her. But you know what I said? Long life to the good ones. Long life to the good ones, baby. Long life to the good ones. Oh. When they cover them parasitic self-context it and each and that them a silver ticks. Because you know you have all kind of ticks when they take the cow. And you have one in your silver ticks him bad, him suck down your blood far. A silver ticks them. Then come pan your silver ticks them. Ears ring follow to me no Azarwa. A diamond, you know me not see it at all. What they blasted. Shit. I blasted it, we go. But anyway. I'm going to leave them with them thoughts, you know. I not bar them man and I not thief them food and I not beg them nothing. So long as I not beg them nothing, you see, I am good to go. But tonight, haters, you will feel it. You surely will. Ah! You surely will. Ah! Surely will. Yes. Life is beautiful when you have a good heart. No matter what you go through in life, you will overcome it. Because you know that everything can hurt is just for a moment of time. So don't make earthly things kill you. You might hurt you, talk over it, let it out, and get it over with. But enjoy the rest of your day and enjoy the rest of your life. Don't sit around for this downhole girl. Where they, you know what I mean? One girl, she like to cuss me. And me used to tell her, I say, listen, you girl, you can't cuss me. And talk bad about me. Because members say, me have one white man and me and him used to talk. And one day the white man want you to suck him dick, you love man. And I remember you was sucking the same dick I was sucking, bitch. I was suck it, I pass it back over to you, and I never take it back. So you don't have nothing over me. Me tell them, you know, them better come good now this time, something on a shame. Shame feel what dirty girl, your pussy now shame while me a fi shame. I mean now walk and give up nothing. So I thought, she can't shame. Shame feel what? Oh, gosh. For what? Nice, I brought them back. Them water artists good. Them bright, man. Them water on down. I told them can't buy it. Them can't look like this, no. No matter how them try, man. They can't do it, man. You see, when me sit down, me get inspiration and the spirit lead me to do all of this funny stuff. That someone can't come up with no big pussy skin out though. But you don't want to come fuck around. But let me tell you something, bitches. It's not gonna happen. On the floor, try. Jesus Christ. Yeah, it's not gonna happen. No, my niggas, you know what I mean? They call this talent, you know what I mean? You call a little funny shit, it's talent. Oh God, my nose hurt, my nose gonna come. Yeah. That should look like me ugly for you because weird this look at me, I take it off and the skin on and eat you the same thing. No, sir. God couldn't wicked to me, so and I say, I move off in some mess, but it don't look no much difference when it's not come off. But the arm. Anyway, bitches, I'm just joking. I love myself because suck dick and so on. My name skin come off like this with rubbings because they want white before time. You know, they want white, man. Oh, white. Me want white. Me want white. Hello, 911. I would like to have some help. Yeah, there's a lady here. Yeah, My landlord, I rent from her. She's very abusive. I think I need some help right now. And my life is in danger. Hurry. Can you come now? Give me some help, please. What a shit. I tell you, man. I tell you, my nigga. That ain't a good dog. You know, people ain't got sense of human love no more like one time. They just don't have it, you know. All they think about is hurting people and cursing people. They can't make no fun, you know. And love life, you know. Yeah, I'm going to watch this shit up. I'm going to bed now, goodie. I love you. I'm going to mix up my drink, get some fruits. I'm going to pop a show like I want to watch. Find something I want to watch on the cable. My favorite show, and go find it and watch it for a minute. Maybe I watch it for like 5 minutes before I go to sleep, always. Not more than 5 minutes. Tomorrow, I love you. Yes.